I never change the depth of my Jang, ever, never. The way you adjust it though is on the front, there's the shoe on the bottom, which is that thing that goes into the soil, right? And then underneath that, there's that mechanism that has your gears in it and whatnot. And the shoe has a 1/4 inch thick bolt type thing that goes through that. And there's a screw on the front of it. And if you loosen that, that'll move this up and down. So that's how you do it. But I never change it. I keep it at a 1/4 inch. The nub that's sticking out the top shows you how high you are. So basically when you buy it and it comes factory set, that little nub is sticking out a 1/4 inch. I've never changed it. I keep it at that. Some people get really into that. This depth for this seed, I don't.